Hot Rod Power Tour is one of the greatest things America has to offer. It's the coming together of everyone with a hot rod, even new cars that we make today. And the really great thing about it is that everybody has their own idea of what a hot rod is, but Chevy Performance has something to fit that bill for everyone.
We bring the full spectrum. We got everything from performance hybrids like the brand new Corvette E-Ray, all the way up to a 2500 ZR2 Bison for the ultimate off-road experience.
People think that we develop these things in these sterile dyno environments. While that is part of the process, being able to put them in vehicles like our dually, like our Chevelle back here, like our C10 pickup, you know, you can learn things on the dyno, but you really learn when you put them into the vehicles and you drive them. We are hot rodders too.
What's your favorite car here?
My favorite car of the fleet this year is the C10, the 67 C10. Personally, because I have all the blood and sweat and tears into it. Short amount of time to build, but again, easy installation, aftermarket parts, easy mounting. Everybody did all the engineering for me, but it's a smooth running car. Again, it's fuel injected, easy to maintain. I mean, I love it. It's gorgeous.
Well, I'd say I like a little bit of the yin and the yang, a little bit of the best of both worlds. So driving the E-Ray with the unique stealth capabilities without the engine turning on and feeling the full EV in all-wheel drive. And then I'm partial to the Colorado ZR2 Bison, you know, rolling on 35s, Jounce control dampers, spare tire in the back, lifted. It's really no better feeling going down the road that you have the capability to take you anywhere you want.
I love our '89 Chevrolet Dually. The reason I love that car is because it really makes that connection to the people here that are doing their backyard hot rodding, putting that crate engine that they purchased from Chevrolet Performance, putting it into that vehicle. We do the same thing. We rescued this vehicle from the scrapyard a few years ago. It was an old GM vehicle, development vehicle, and being able to cycle engines through it, have that learning process, being able to bring it out here and share it with people, because it's not a typical vehicle you would see from GM. It's got the original paint and patina, and it's something that we think people are really going to enjoy and connect with here, along with all of our other show builds.